understand is just a simulation. All the reality within the reality, since we move into 3D up and we try to get ourselves out of the prison, you're gonna go through every chamber in that prison and see what's happening in this chamber. But I want you to keep going and keep moving, and not to get afraid that in that particular chamber, when you're passing through, something is happening there. You can change the simulation to whatever else you want, because you are God creation and fractal expression reprinting in one unit, and you hold the power of God consciousness in and out. Mutate everything. You're not trapped. You're giving yourself the illusion that you're trapped, and when you drop into fear and you keep tuning into negative timelines and realities, it has nowhere to go but to reprint itself, because this is the way you chose to express yourself in action in a daily basis. In quantum structure, whatever you project is coming back. You don't know from where it can manifest in any shape and form, but we're always gonna mimic the frequency that you gave first within the field for itself. Once you embed that information and you keep practicing on it, I'm telling you guys, we are free. You are free. I am free. I am power. I am joy. I hold my ground when I see what's happening. Thank you. I neutralize everything into balance within the field. Now I know how I want my reality to be, and I'm going to start acting, projecting, and doing everything I want the way I want it to be, not the way somebody showed me in a hologram. I reject, but I can mutate what I see the way I want it. You cannot reject your own expression as part of your own structure. In order for you to see it, you already projected it in the first place. It's a simulation. Somebody gave you a hologram, plastered it in your collective field, into the structure of the 3D, into that prison, and telling you, oh, solar flash. Even if it is, that frequency will go through, but you will survive. You have everything you need for everything that is there.